Hey, welcome back. If this is your first time here, I'm really glad you found this episode. Welcome to Speak Like a Pro, the podcast where you learn to speak English fluently and confidently for real business situations. My name is Wendy, and I am so happy you are here today. If you are a B1 English learner, this episode is especially for you. Today is not a lesson. It's for practicing real workplace English. The kind you actually use every single day, not textbook English. We're going to shadow everyday conversations at work, morning chats, meetings, emails, calls, small problems, small wins. And here's how this works. You don't just listen, you speak with me, immediately. Even if your voice shakes a little, and even if you feel unsure, because that's how fluency grows. So, take a slow breath. Let's start with something simple. Okay, imagine you just walked into the office. A colleague smiles and says, "Morning, how's everything going?" Now, shadow it. "Morning, how's everything going?" "Morning, how's everything going?" Good. Now your turn to respond. "Pretty good, thanks. Just catching up on emails." Say it with me. "Pretty good, thanks. Just catching up on emails." Again. "Pretty good, thanks. Just catching up on emails." Nice. Keep that rhythm natural. Here are a few more you'll use almost every day. Phrase 1. I'm just getting started for the day. Repeat it. I'm just getting started for the day. I'm just getting started for the day. Phrase 2. It's going to be a busy one. Repeat. It's going to be a busy one. It's going to be a busy one. Phrase 3. Let's catch up later. Repeat. Let's catch up later. Let's catch up later. See? Nothing complicated. But this is how professionals sound natural. Now let's be honest. Sometimes you need help at work. But many English learners freeze here. They worry about sounding incompetent. Let's fix that. Instead of saying, "I don't understand," you say, "Could you help me with something?" Repeat. "Could you help me with something?" "Could you help me with something?" Next one, say, "Do you have a minute?" Repeat. "Do you have a minute?" "Do you have a minute?" Next phrase. I just need a quick clarification. Repeat. I just need a quick clarification. I just need a quick clarification. Another phrase. Can you walk me through this? Repeat. Can you walk me through this? Can you walk me through this? Honestly, speaking like this makes you confident, professional, and increases your fluency energy. All right, now imagine you're in a meeting. Your heart is beating fast because you might have to speak. Relax. We train that right now. These are the best phrases to start with. Phrase 1. Let's get started. Repeat. Let's get started. Let's get started. Phrase 2. Before we begin, I'd like to review. Repeat. Before we begin, I'd like to review. Before we begin, I'd like to review. Phrase 3. I agree with that point. Repeat. I agree with that point. I agree with that point. Phrase 4. I see your perspective. Repeat. I see your perspective. I see your perspective. Phrase 5. Could we explore another option? Repeat. Could we explore another option? Could we explore another option? Do you feel that? That's professional English, calm and structured. Now, let's talk about something you probably do every day. Emails. Instead of writing long, complicated sentences, keep it clean. Phrase 1. I'm following up on. Repeat. I'm following up on. I'm following up on. Phrase 2. Just a quick reminder. Repeat. Just a quick reminder. Just a quick reminder. Phrase 3. Please let me know your availability. Repeat. Please let me know your availability. Please let me know your availability. Phrase 4. I'll get back to you shortly. Repeat. I'll get back to you shortly. I'll get back to you shortly. You see, it's short, clear, and professional. Now here's where real fluency shows. Not when things are easy, but when something goes wrong. Instead of panicking, you say, I understand the concern. Repeat. I understand the concern. I understand the concern. Next phrase. Let's look at possible solutions. Repeat. Let's look at possible solutions. Let's look at possible solutions. Another phrase is, we may need to adjust the timeline. Repeat. We may need to adjust the timeline. We may need to adjust the timeline. Next phrase. I'll take care of it. Repeat. I'll take care of it. I'll take care of it. That's leadership language. Now imagine you're on a business call. You say, thank you for taking the time to speak today. Repeat. Thank you for taking the time to speak today. Thank you for taking the time to speak today. Another phrase, let me clarify that for you. Repeat. Let me clarify that for you. Let me clarify that for you. Next phrase, I completely understand your concern. Repeat. I completely understand your concern. I completely understand your concern. Another phrase, I'll send a summary after this call. Repeat. I'll send a summary after this call. I'll send a summary after this call. You see how structured this is? Structure reduces fear. Now let's talk honestly. Here's what most learners do. They watch English videos quietly. They nod. They think, yes, I understand. Then the next day in a meeting, they are silent. Their minds are blank and their confidence is gone. Not because they're not smart, not because their English is bad, but because they never trained their mouth to move. Fluency is physical. Your brain and your mouth must work together, and that only happens when you speak out loud. Even if you live alone, even if you feel awkward, even if your pronunciation isn't perfect, you are not embarrassing yourself. You are building yourself. Every time you shadow this episode, you are rewiring your brain. Every repetition builds automatic responses. Automatic responses create confidence, and confidence changes how people see you at work. Not just as someone who understands English, but as someone who operates in English. That's different, and you're building that. Before you leave today, do this. Replay one section. Shadow it again. Don't just listen, speak. Because this channel is not for passive learners. It's for people who are ready to train. And if this helped you, subscribe, so you don't miss more videos that can help you. Because consistency builds fluency. And I want you to come back here and feel stronger every time. All right, take a breath. You did well today. Keep shadowing. Keep speaking. Keep showing up. And I'll see you in the next episode.